How to connect Gemini to YouTube. Let's get started. First, open Gemini in your web browser and sign in with your Google account. Next, click your profile icon in the bottom left corner of the screen, then select Settings. From the Settings menu, click Personal Intelligence. Now select Connected Apps. Here you'll see a list of apps that work with Gemini. Scroll down until you find YouTube. Turn on the toggle next to YouTube. A confirmation window will appear explaining how Gemini works with the YouTube app. Click Connect to continue. Wait a few seconds while Gemini completes the setup. Once the YouTube toggle remains turned on, your YouTube account has been successfully connected to Gemini. Now click New Chat. As you can see, Gemini automatically displays a suggested prompt based on your connected YouTube account, such as, "Recommend a film based on my YouTube history." This confirms that YouTube has been successfully connected to Gemini. You can use this suggestion or type your own request. For example, you can ask, "Recommend YouTube videos about AI tools," or "Find beginner tutorials for Canva on YouTube." Gemini will use the connected YouTube app to help you discover relevant videos and personalized recommendations. If you ever want to disconnect YouTube, click your profile icon, go to Settings, open Personal Intelligence, select Connected Apps, find YouTube, and simply turn off the toggle. And that's it. You've successfully connected your YouTube account to Gemini. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.